Hi everybody, welcome back to Banderiita 1. In this how-to tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious snack that it's going to be a total blast on every party or even by yourself. So let's see the material you're gonna need. You are going to need 2 bars of cheese cream, 100 grams of tiny blueberries, 100 grams of walnuts, a fork, and also a crystal bowl. So let's see how to make it. So first of all, you need to mix your 2 bars of cheese cream, and until you have them completely uniform as one, you are going to add a little bit of your walnuts and also of the blueberries. And make the exact same thing. We just need to mix all the things we just add to the cheese. And we need to repeat this step about 4 times more. Just remember that's just tiny bits of the walnuts and also the blueberries. Now, with the help of your hands, of course completely clean, you can make this kind of like a bowl, like this, with all the mix we just add. And then what we're going to do is just take the crystal bowl we have and add some more blueberries and the rest of our walnut, and with the help of our hands we are going to mix them. So now we are going to take our cheese bowl and we're going to put it into that bowl we already mixed. So let's just press it gently until it has already covered every single part of our cheese bowl. So this is it, guys. You have already finished your delicious snack. Isn't it look incredibly good and delicious? And of course you can eat this with some pretzels or whole grain cookies, as you wish. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like it. If it's like that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this incredible channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.